Welcome to Gaming Theme, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and finance, my friends. So on this channel, I mostly talk about the stock market, about, like, for example, the stock of CDProjekt, the stock of Activision, the stock of Take-Two Interactive, Zynga, Nintendo, Capcom, Square Enix, you name it, guys. So this is your channel to learn a little bit about those stocks. And also, if you're just interested in some guy talking about stocks that you like, then maybe this is also the channel for you. But our purpose, guys, in this channel is also to make money. So this is a channel where we're not talking about the polemics, about scandals, about all of this that is going on in the background. We only care for this when it affects the price of our stocks, guys. So this is a capitalistic channel, so we want to make money. So therefore, guys, yeah, I want to also highly recommend you to comment, like, and subscribe, of course, this channel. So you can see here I already uploaded 4 videos. So, and in this video today we will jump back, of course, again to CDProjekt, and we will talk again a little bit about CDProjekt. I know I talk a lot about this, and I'm invested in CDProjekt, so that's my little disclaimer, of course, guys. So I'm invested, but yeah, this, I don't have a conflict of interest. Obviously my investment is not that high, so it's only, I think, something like 1.6% of my overall portfolio, guys. So CDProjekt. Who is CDProjekt? So probably if you found this video, so you already know who CDProjekt is, so I don't have to explain it to you again. So I always recommend my viewers to jump to Yahoo Finance to see actually the very good financial data there. We can see they have a decent PE ratio of 17.8 and EPS, earnings per share, of 10.9, so that's all pretty good. Yes, of course, they missed recently some quarters, not so fun, but yeah, but they had with Cyberpunk actually now a real success, even that it's not out yet on the PlayStation 5, and we have to wait a little bit for the remakes as well. So, but all of this, I put this aside because that's the story from yesterday. This is already in the price of the stock integrated, and also that's the effect why we were falling from 438 zlotys to 195 zlotys. Yeah, guys, and before I forget, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a YouTuber, a retail investor, and I'm just talking about stocks I like. Of course, don't invest in anything that anyone on YouTube talks about. So investing has a lot of risk, and you can lose all your money. So therefore, I'm not recommending to invest in any stock. So I'm just talking about this stock. So full-time employees at CDProjekt 1,177. So that's actually pretty nice. So guys, I would say let's check a little bit today's market reaction. So today, Monday, markets are opening again, and they're still open. So you see we are still at this range I talked about the last time, between 100, let's call it 150 zlotys and 215 zlotys. So I'm talking about the zlotys because I talk only about the price of the stock that it has and the home stock exchange, of course. So you see we were dropping massively, but when something drops so badly, when something is falling so badly, and you can see then there's actually some support is being created, some bottom is created, then you can think about, all right, that's actually pretty nice. So I should invest in it now. Maybe I can make some money of it. Or you tell yourself, no, I will never touch CDProjekt again. I will never touch this stock again. They disappointed me so much. I bought in at 400 zloty and they were dropping now 50% down. Yeah, well, guys, so obviously I was not buying here on this way up, so I missed the way up. I have to admit this. So I was getting my first position around about 220 or something, and since then I'm always buying some more stocks when I see that there's a good opportunity. Would I buy now more? Nah, today I don't think that it's for me personally a new that I will buy now more, because I think now let's go to the interval weight. So I think that's from today. So what we saw today, so it opened actually pretty nice. pretty nicely. It opened here. So if you want to trade it, I always try to find out how is it actually possible to trade this stock, because you see every time we start from kind of the bottom in the morning. Of course, this is also a bit after hours related, because you can buy the stock also in Germany and as well as in the US. But we were actually, it was not so, yeah, we were trading nicely up. We were here trading nicely up, and then at one point when the American markets were opening, we were dropping massively, and now we're only at 0.36%. Of course, I agree, guys. So this was actually not such a good day for it. But it seems we are fighting with the 50-day moving average. The 200-day moving average is not here anymore. Why is it always erasing? I don't know. But this already is not here. So we're fighting with the 50-day moving average. If we break through this, I see this personally as a bullish signal for me, and then I might invest a little bit more. So, but I keep always my portfolio very nicely diversified. That's important for me. So don't put all your eggs in one basket, as they say. And it really, guys, if you went through 2019, 20 and 21 in the stock market, you understand this. You understand it. Don't YOLO your money and call options and all this. This is really then you can definitely, yeah, you will definitely lose money. So it's too risky for this. Just like I do it, I just buy the simple stock of companies that I like. I also own Take-Two, Activision, Ubisoft, of course. Zynga I also own, so therefore that's how I invest. That's my philosophy. I see definitely a nice support here, and I see also that we have a little upward trend. So if this trend would have happened, like for example 2016, everyone would say, oh, that's so pretty, that's so nice, I'm investing in CDProjekt, I believe in the company. But since it was falling from 450 to 150, you can see on social media people like, I will not invest in CDProjekt anymore. What do you think, Mr. Orange? You think that's a nice chart? Do you think that's a good chart? That's a terrible chart. It's trading sideways. No, look at it again. Look at it again. It's not trading sideways. It's trading slightly upwards. So that's not sideways. So it's and I look at this chart a lot every day, and I see and just think like it's a beautiful chart. So, but that's my opinion. All right, guys. So today I'm not going to get too much into the details of the financial values, but what I want to cover in this video today is very slowly also so the CDProjekt Twitter account, and some articles I found here, some German article. So when is actually Witcher 4? When is it actually coming? I mean, that's the big question. I always say when Witcher 4 is coming, then the stock will definitely make a big jump of like 10, 15, 20%. So that's my that's what I expect to happen. So I cannot say it really will happen. So of course I don't have a crystal ball. So, but here they, for example, say we develop now parallel AAA games starting in 2022. So then you see The Witcher, and then you see Cyberpunk. So Cyberpunk, of course, they have to adapt for PlayStation 5, and they have to improve also the version at the moment on the market. But everyone's waiting for Witcher 4. Is it going to be? So this article is. It's kind of interesting because it discusses the fact if it's going to be a Witcher game, is it going to be part of the Witcher series with Geralt, or is it, for example, a Witcher where you play series, so some complete new trilogy? So yeah, well, we will see. It's very difficult to say at the moment since we don't have so much information. So I think we will get a little bit like maybe a tiny announcement this year, or I hope it at least. And release date, of course, no one knows when it comes out, so no one knows what it is. But I'm definitely optimistic that we see here a series, that we're going to see some sort of a Witcher title with series as the main character. So I'm putting you the links actually of this PC Games and article in the commentary section. So I think that was actually very interesting to read through. Of course, I mean, it's a lot of speculation, so we don't really know it. But guys, I mean, Witcher 3 sold over 25 million times, so it was really one of the best-selling games ever. It get hundreds of awards, came out in 2015, and it's still very popular. So I'm also kind of happy that so this is the Twitter account from CDProjekt. I'm kind of happy that GOG, that they're cutting there a little bit. So some people think, oh, GOG is so great because it's DRM free. So I personally say, guys, you're not a gamer if you think this. So that's just something that's in your head because you think you want to buy a 20-year-old game now. So come on, guys, let's look into the future. So GOG, it's good to pull some resources there. Here they get some numbers of GOG. This may be interesting to check out. Facts and numbers GOG. I don't have a problem with GOG. I mean, I'm a CDProjekt investor, so why would I have a problem with part of my what my company is doing? So, but I think the focus should be on new games, and definitely should be on improving cyberpunk as well. Implementing some sort of multiplayer would be very cool, as well as putting the more hot fixes out, and keeping this game actually alive, this universe alive. There's so much potential in the Cyberpunk 2077 universe, but also having some sequels to The Witcher would also be impressive, guys. So Alrighty guys, so with this I would say I talked enough about CDProjekt for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, so like, of course, that would be amazing, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm coming actually more from the gaming world, so but I'm a private investor, and I'm so much looking forward to develop this channel. So you can see here it's a very small channel, so I uploaded already 4 videos. You see not a lot of views at the moment, but that's fine. I have a huge channel already that is creating a lot of traffic, so that's very cool. So but I'm trying to develop this little flower here, so that's my plan, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. So if you want to accompany me here on this way, on this little journey with my little gaming industry and finance channel, then yeah, I hope you're invited, and hope you stay. And I'm trying also to improve myself, but my videos are not edited. I don't have time for editing videos, I honestly have to say, and I personally prefer myself watching videos that are more natural, unedited videos. It's just more fun. It's just more fun. You see more, you can feel more the spirit. So only because I for example, I'm not a native English speaker, and only because I don't have a specific word now directly on my lips, that doesn't mean I have to edit this out. This is definitely not my plan here, guys. So also head over to my other channel, of course, my gaming channel, if you're interested in good Steam deals, in good sales deals. So that's what I cover over there. But here I'm also only covering the gaming industry from the perspective of people that like money and like to earn money. And we are not complaining about microtransactions here. We're not complaining of NFTs here, but cryptos. We think about how can we, the best way how we can implement NFTs, cryptos in our games, in the gaming industry, that the shareholders can make some cash out of this. So yeah, that's the philosophy of this channel. If you don't like the philosophy, then of course I'm sure there are enough channels where you can read a lot of negativity, but we are a positive channel. We want to make money, and we are optimistic that the future will hold even more cash for shareholders. Oh my god, now guys, I have to say this because very often people don't understand the point of view of a gaming channel that talks about a finance channel, sorry, not a gaming channel. All right, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.